Detach the smoke exhaust module. Next, separate the exhaust fan unit from the exhaust duct. With the Phillips screwdriver, remove the 5 fixing screws. Open the exhaust fan unit. With the Phillips screwdriver, remove 2 screws fixing the PCB. Press its connector to remove the PCB. With the Phillips screwdriver, remove 2 screws fixing the fan. Take out the exhaust fan. With the label facing up, press the 3 clips to open its shell. Spray isopropyl alcohol on a lint-free cloth to clean the fan. Use a cotton swab for small gaps. Reattach the fan shell. Facing the outlet, install the fan in place. With the Phillips screwdriver, install the fan's 2 fixing screws. Reconnect the PCB. Insert the PCB into the connector. With the Phillips screwdriver, install the PCB's 2 fixing screws. Tidy all cables and reassemble the fan unit. With the Phillips screwdriver, install the 5 fixing screws. Retrieve the exhaust duct. After aligning the duct and the fan unit, screw the fan unit in place. Lastly, attach the smoke exhaust module to M1 Ultra. This is how to clean the exhaust fan. We hope this video is helpful. Feel free to contact the xTool support team if you have any questions.